Hello there, welcome back to Selenium training. In this tutorial, we will learn about the navigation commands that are used in Selenium. There are a bunch of navigation commands that we use in our real-time projects. So what does I mean when I say about the navigation commands? Suppose you want to hit a URL, let's go to Yahoo this time, and you are on the homepage of the Yahoo website. Now you have some requirements in your project that you want to click on the sign in button, and once you click on the sign in button you need to go back one step from where you started. Suppose you are clicking back this arrow and this is taking you to one step back. So how we can do this with the help of Selenium? These are called navigation commands. And if you want to refresh the page, for that we have one navigation command. Let's see in the project. I am continuing with this project and let me create a class file. Let's name it anything you want. I'll name it navigation. Alright guys, so the first step is to invoke a Chrome browser, and I'll copy the code from here to invoke a Chrome browser. I'm sure you must be familiar with this. And let me just import the packages for this class. Alright guys, let's hit towards the URL and I'll copy the from here. Alright guys, now you're directed to this homepage of Yahoo. Now you want to click on the sign in button. Let me inspect this element. Alright, here are multiple details, attributes of the sign in button. I will go this time with the text. You can use the driver.find element by link text to click on this sign in button. But I will show you one more method that will help you in your real-time projects. How? See. Now let's inspect this from here, right? I'm just giving it the syntax right now, and the attribute is sign in is the value and attribute is nothing. I'll use attribute this time text because we are dealing with the text. If you can see, none attribute is having a name as text, right? And I'll use the anchor tag for XPath. Alright guys, it has highlighted this, and let me just copy it from here and use this in our class file. Driver dot find element by dot XPath dot click. Alright guys, you can also do this thing with the help of by link text, but here I have showed you one more method. Sometimes it is very helpful when you start working on real things guys. Alright guys, now you have clicked on the sign in button and now you want to go one step back. For that we have one command in Selenium called driver dot navigate dot back. The command is as simple as the name suggests. Go one step back. And if you want to go one step forward, like you want to click on this arrow button and move one step ahead. For that we have one command called driver.navigate.forward. And if you want to refresh the page, for that we have command driver.navigate.refresh. Alright guys, these are the important commands of navigation that can be used in our projects. There is one more, I'll show that one in a bit, but let's execute this thing. First let me add some timer so you can easily uh, see the execution process. Alright guys, let me provide time here also when clicking on the back button and when clicking on the forward and refresh button. Alright guys, let me execute the script. It will invoke one Chrome browser, as we know about that. and it will direct you to yahoo.com. From here, it will click on the sign in button, as we have mentioned this thing in our script. Alright guys, it has clicked on the sign in button. Now uh, it is completely loaded and it will direct you to one step back. It will navigate you to a back step, and now it will navigate you one step forward. Again, that means it will again go to the sign in. Here we are guys, and you see it has refreshed the web page also. I hope guys this video was helpful. If you do, please subscribe and do not forget to comment. Thank you and stay tuned.